Hey, you guys.
Literally me. Who are you?
I'm funny. Sometimes I buy stuff, sometimes I say stuff, and sometimes I do stuff. Hey, guys. I said that already. Little bit of a different format here because it is in fact Christmas morning and I'm sitting here with the dogs and Hobbs.
Hi.
We already kind of like opened up all of our presents except for one because I wanted to unbox it with you guys. And I have some friend mail that I didn't unbox. I just opened it so I wouldn't have to fool with it during the video. This is from my beautiful little friend Delia LaFay, aka Rachel. I'm gonna pop her channel right here. She sent me something for GOTHMAS, and I'm so excited to see what it is.
Oh boy.
And the dogs are playing with their Christmas. This is just a disaster already.
It's real life.
I've got my iced coffee with my peppermint bark syrup in it. I've got dogs playing with toys all over here. So really, we are going to unbox Rachel's gift first. Then we are going to open up this present from Hubs. Again, I know what it is, and I just wanted to open it with you guys. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, Rachel, thank you so much. You did not have to send me anything, like for real. This was really, really nice of you. Can't wait to see what's in here because you are just super fabulous. And please go check out her channel. Her video today, she actually read like a dark Christmas story and it was just so nice. I made my husband homemade cinnamon rolls this morning for breakfast, and while I was baking them, I had the phone up and I was listening to her story, and it was just super cute for like Christmas evening, you know, before everybody woke up. So please check her out. She is super amazing. We're gonna see what she sent me. So it's a little card. Just wanted to send this little thank you from Rachel. She's just so amazing. Oh. Okay, so first thing that I see in here, she did send me the Profusion brush alter set, which we have been exchanging Profusion ritual stuff, like content, for a very long time now, ever since they came out with the line. This is one of the ones from the line I did not get to pick up, and I told her that I really wanted it. She got like a couple sets on clearance, and I was like so jealous, so she actually sent me them, and I'm like, oh, this is great. Merry Christmas, everyone. Okay, it looks like there's two more things in here. I'm gonna do this little bag first. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's a little purple coffin ring. I love that. Let's go the other way. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, I love that. Listen, guys, she does chainmail and scale mail jewelry pieces, custom made. Please go check out her channel. I'm gonna link her channel and Etsy shop in the description box below. And this is something, I can tell this is something that she made. Oh my God, guys. Look at this choker. This is the type of things that she does. This chainmail and scale mail. Look at how freaking gorgeous this is. She put a spider pendant on it. This is like you know I gotta try it on. It's gorgeous. Hobbs approves. Let's go ahead and put this bad boy on. We're gonna be super fancy for Christmas morning. Oh, look at that.
It's nice.
It's freaking nice, dude. Oh, that is super, super pretty. Oh, I love this. Oh my God, Rachel! Oh, this is so gorgeous. Thank you so much. I am totally, you know, we're going to a metal New Year's Eve concert, and I might just have to wear this. Oh, it's super pretty. Okay, we're just gonna keep it on for the rest of the video. I'm just super fancy on this Christmas day. So thank you so much, Rachel. You are so freaking amazing. I am in love with this face. All right, and now we're going to open the present that Hubs got me. But first, before I open it, let me just show you a couple other things that he got me that I'm like so wowed by. This was in my stocking. If you guys remember, I found a tiny tube of this Ole Henriksen transforming walnut scrub like at a TJ Maxx. It was like this big. It's discontinued, and I fucking loved it. Like, I was like, oh, I'm so sad that this is discontinued. Well, my husband watches my videos, and he, I guess, went and searched for this and found one seller somewhere on a site that had a full tube, and he got it for me. What a little cutie you are. You are like the best hubby ever. I am so excited. Now I have a full, this shit is so amazing. Like, I love this stuff. He also, now we have matching ones of these now, but he bought me the 9 Inch Nails Broken hoodie. Look how cute this is. First of all, it's the 9 Inch Nails font for Broken on the front, but then on the back, it has all of the track names, but it doesn't stop there. Check this out. If you are a fan, you know that Broken has 2 hidden tracks on it. They put the tracks in black at the bottom of the hoodie. Like, how cute is that? Like, I love this thing. I was so, oh yeah, and it has the logo underneath the hood. I love this thing. I can't wait to wear it. We are such hoodie people, so it's perfect. And now we have matching ones, and we can
be dorks together.
We can be dorks together. We are that couple. The biggest thing that he got, I don't want to say biggest thing, but like, this was like the super surprise that I got, is he got me a pair of Noble trainer sneakers. If you've been following me for a while, you know I go to the gym every day, and I actually have like 3 pairs of shoes in my gym bag for different lifts and stuff. And these are Noble trainers, which I can wear to deadlift. Do you wear them to squat?
No, I wear heels to squat.
Okay, so I still have to wear my heels to, heels? Sounds funny. Okay. I have to wear my heels to squat.
Ollie shoes.
There's a different type of shoe that has a little lift in the heel to squat, but these are supposed to be like all around good trainers, and I am super excited to try these out. Are these not cute? It's like rose and gray, so super happy about that. Now for this box, this one is kind of out of season already because probably everybody has seen a video from their uncle and mother doing it. I feel bad. I just kind of ripped that open and didn't let you like watch me open it because you like wrapped it, and this was supposed to be one of my presents. I'm like, nope, it's just for YouTube audience now. Look how fabulous I look with this choker on, like in my pajamas. It is the Lunar Beauty Advent Calendar. Yes, I told Hobbs that I wanted this, and he got it for me and was like, do you want to unbox it on YouTube because it's a Christmas present? And I was like, well, still give it to me for Christmas and I'll just unbox it on YouTube on Christmas. This is like a Northern Lights inspired palette box, but the inside is like more of a neutral palette. So there was like a little bit of like weirdness going on YouTube because like everybody got the palette and thought it was going to be like this blue and silver thing, but it's actually like more neutral. So I was like, right up my alley. Also, I know you can't see it, but there is a shade right here. He actually released the calendar at one point with one of these shades and then decided that the formula in the shade was just not what he wanted it to be. So when he started sending out the new calendars, he included a replacement shade to replace. So we'll just take a look at that. 12 Days of Lunar Beauty. This is going to be a palette that has magnetic things, and each day you take out a pan and put it in there. So we're just going to unbox all of it at once, put it in the pan, and so you can see it. I'm not going to be swatching. I'm not going to be trying. We'll do that in another video. But like, how cute is this? Is this not beautiful?
Very nice.
Manny is very good with the packaging.
He definitely is.
He definitely is. So on here it says, hi loves, please replace day 9 shadow with this one instead, XOXO. So when I open up day 9, he actually wants this pan to be included in it. So we'll just do that whenever I get to day 9. This is the promo card that comes with it. It does actually come with 2 lip oils. My husband did actually buy me the purple tinted lip oil, but it has not arrived yet. That was supposed to be in my stocking, but I don't care as long as I get it. So here is the actual calendar. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous that is. So here is where you get the palette, and then here's all the days with the eyeshadow pans in it. See, honey? I'm letting him share the experience since he did buy it for me.
Pretty.
So apparently the die cuts on these are really, really bad, and it's really hard to open, so please bear with me as I struggle to get some of these open, but we are going to open the palette first. So here is the actual palette. It is so gorgeous. Manny does a great job with his palette designs. It's like a blue and silvery moon. And then here are your pans that you're going to put your eyeshadow colors in. See? Yeah, very cool. Got a little mirror in there. On the back, it does say 12 days of lunar. So we're gonna start with day 1. I've got my stabby knife here, so just bear with me. So that's how it works. Once you open it up, there's a little tiny purple box like this. Inside the purple box is your eyeshadow color, and this one looks like a sparkly gold. I'm just gonna put them inside the palette as the numbers go, and later on I will customize it to my own color story. But just for ease of the video, we're gonna do it like that. So there is my first color. Hubs is very impressed with the packaging and the magnetic deal. This is day 2, and this is a very pretty purple shade. I want to just make a note. I'll probably talk about this in a future video, but I found that it's very safe for me to buy all vegan formula eyeshadows, which Lunar Beauty is. So there is day 2. Here is day 3. Oh, it looks like another gold color. It's like more of a champagne-y gold than the first one, which was like more of like a yellow brassy gold. So you can see the difference there. Oh, it's so pretty already. This is day 4. What do we got? Oh, we've got like a terracotta color. Husband's like, what's terracotta? No, actually.
I just called it pink.
That's not pink. That's
Red,
brown,
pink.
right?
Brown.
So there's day 4. Sorry, this is day 5, and that is kind of like a sparkly, this is actually more of a pink. It's kind of reading gold on camera, but it's like kind of like a pinky, sparkly color. There you go. Day 5 is right there. Day 6. Ooh, it's like a mustard yellow. Oh, I love me a mustard yellow. I love how he has like a mixture. I think he actually does 6 mattes and 6 shimmers in this palette, which I love because then it gives me an equal playing field. So there is day 6. Oh, that is super pretty. Here is day 7. I know I'm doing a really bad job of like showing off the actual calendar. Who cares? We just want to see the eyeshadows. All right, day 7 is like a taupey sparkly color. So there is day 7. Here is day 8. Ooh, it's like a green. That's an interesting choice for this so far. Right there, just Christmased up this whole thing, don't you think? That is super pretty. All right, so this is the replacement color. This is day 9. So this is the one that came separate in the Toby's gonna mess up my palette. This is the one that came separate in the container. So we are going to put this one in. So this is kind of, ooh, what is that? It's like a greenish gold sparkle. Sorry about my dogs. So that's the replacement color for day 9. It's like a greenish gold shimmer. But what I'm gonna do is, since they gave the other one in the box, I am just gonna stick this one in the giveaway for the 1,000 subs. I mean, I don't know exactly why he wanted to replace it, but it's almost the same color. I'm just gonna stick that in the giveaway, so you guys will get that one back. Day 10. Day 10. Ooh, that's another really pretty neutral matte. So there it is right there, day 10. 2 more left, guys. My husband is like laughing at me because I'm like playing to the camera, because most of the time I'm like, ugh. We have a good time over here, you know. This is day 11. Ooh, I like that one a lot. It's like a really rose pinky. Come on. Any of you have dogs? Any of you have 2 very dependent, annoying dogs? I love them to death. They had such a good time this morning. Oh, look at that color. So pretty. Oh, this is actually turning out to be super gorgeous. Let's go to the final day, day 12 right here. I think I already know what this one is because, you know, I've watched a ton of Lunar Beauty advent calendar unboxings. Damn right there. It is a matte black, which you cannot go wrong with. I actually have one of the matte blacks from Lunar Beauty in the Nude Prism palette, and I use it all the time with other palettes to deepen up my outer corner. So it's a really, really good formula. I love Lunar Beauty. All right, guys, there is the completed palette. This is the Lunar Beauty 12 Days of Lunar Advent Calendar palette. Super gorgeous. What do you think, honey?
It's very nice.
Very nice. Very nice. If you guys want to see me use this in a video, just comment down below and let me know if you're interested. If you want to see me swatch it or just make a look, just, you know, comment down below. And that's that. That is the Advent Calendar unboxing. Thank you so much for sitting through that with me. I love iced coffee. That's all I have for you today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was like a little off the cuff and different. You know, I'm just chilling here in my living room with my fam. We got to spend Christmas morning together. I got this beautiful choker from Rachel. Again, I'm gonna link her channel and shop down below. If you guys could like this video, it really does help me out. I am seriously, I think I'm 100 hours away from the 4,000 watch time, which is just amazing. I hit over 800 subs last week. Thank you guys so much for everything that you do. If you could comment below and just tell me what was your favorite Christmas gift that you received this year, or if you celebrated it a different way, let me know. I love hearing what you guys are up to. And if you could subscribe so you could follow all of my antics, you would be the awesomest. I love you so much. I will see you on the next one. Bye.
Bye.